The Brightup Beard Trimmer is an all-in-one grooming kit designed to cater to various grooming needs, whether it's beard trimming, shaving your face, or taking care of those tricky nose and ear hairs. This is Beautyistic, your trusted space for all things beauty and grooming, and today we're diving into the Brightup Beard Trimmer for men. Let's explore whether this grooming kit truly lives up to the promises or if it's just another buzz. First things first, this is a versatile trimmer set, offering a range of features designed to make grooming an easy and enjoyable routine. The Brightup Beard Trimmer comes with 6 trimmer heads, including tools for precise trimming, shaving, and tackling body grooming needs. Not only that, but it also includes 6 hair trimmer combs, which give you control over the length and style of various parts of your body, from facial hair to those more delicate areas. The entire kit is IPX7 waterproof, meaning it's completely washable. Whether you're using it in the shower or cleaning up afterward, it's a breeze. Using the Brightup Trimmer for the first time was straightforward. I was pleasantly surprised by how easy it was to set up. All the parts, from the trimmer heads to the combs, were intuitively designed. One thing I particularly liked was the charging setup. With USB rechargeable capabilities and an LED display that shows battery power, it's easy to keep track of the remaining runtime. It took just about 1.5 hours to charge fully, providing up to 90 minutes of use, which is more than enough for a couple of grooming sessions without worrying about recharging. Performance-wise, I tested it under different scenarios. The 2 speed modes offered a good balance: 7,300 revolutions per minute for daily trimming and 8,800 revolutions per minute for those thicker, stubborn hairs. For those of you who appreciate quieter grooming tools, this trimmer shines with its low noise levels, making it perfect for a relaxing morning or late-night grooming routine. The self-sharpening stainless steel blades ensure a consistently close trim without irritating the skin, which is great for sensitive areas. The ergonomic design deserves a mention too. It's comfortable to hold, and I particularly appreciated the 3-second travel lock feature, which is perfect for those who travel often and don't want any accidental buzzing in their bags. Speaking of travel, the trimmer's compact build makes it easy to pack without sacrificing its capability. Now let's weigh in on the pros and cons. On the positive side, it's incredibly versatile. You're getting multiple functions in a single package, from beard and body grooming to precision trimming. The waterproof aspect means no mess, and the detachable blades are easy to clean. However, it isn't without its downsides. The trimmer heads can feel a bit cumbersome to switch out initially. Until you get used to it, there's a small learning curve. Also, though it offers impressive power, it may not be the best choice for those looking for superfine, barber-grade precision, especially around detailed edges. If you're comparing it to other similar trimmers in the market, it does stack up well. The Panasonic ERGB80S and Philips Norelco Multigroom series are in the same price range, offering similar features. But where Brightup stands out is the fully waterproof design and the all-inclusive comb set, making it a better option for someone who wants more versatility for both face and body grooming without needing to buy separate devices. However, if you're strictly focused on detailed beard styling, the Philips Multigroom might offer a bit more finesse in its trimming precision. When it comes to value for money, I'd say the Brightup Beard Trimmer is solid, especially considering its features and overall performance. It's durable, comes with a full set of attachments, and the waterproof feature alone gives it a slight edge over non-washable models. It's versatile enough for everything from beard trimming to body grooming, which makes it worth the investment. Plus, the 1-year warranty adds peace of mind for those who are on the fence about durability. Midway reminder, if you're finding this review helpful, please hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to Beautyistic for more unbiased product reviews. Your support helps us keep bringing you great content, and clicking that bell icon means you'll never miss an update. So let's keep those trimmers buzzing. The build quality feels sturdy, and the blades, being stainless steel, are both sharp and safe, avoiding rust while minimizing skin irritation. It's the kind of quality that inspires confidence. It's not flimsy and won't break easily, which is what you want in a grooming tool meant for regular use. The intuitive LED display is a nice touch as it ensures you're never caught off guard with a dead battery mid-shave. User-friendliness is one of its strong suits. Everything from the setup to switching out combs and blades is straightforward once you get used to it. The travel lock feature further demonstrates the thought put into the user experience, ideal for preventing mishaps when on the go. I didn't have the chance to test customer support myself, but according to the product's warranty and details, Brightup offers quick and helpful support, along with a 1-year warranty, which is a nice safety net if any issues come up. In real-world testing, I used the Brightup trimmer both in the bathroom with the IPX7 waterproof functionality and during a quick touch-up session without water. It handled both situations well, without any issues like pulling or discomfort, even in sensitive areas. For anyone wondering whether it's worth buying for daily grooming or for specific occasions, I'd say it's a great option for both, especially for those who prefer trimming in the shower. As for who would benefit the most from this product, I'd say it's suited for men looking for an all-in-one solution. Whether you're someone just starting out in your grooming routine or a regular trimmer user, this kit provides flexibility and ease of use for most grooming needs. If you're all about achieving detailed edges and perfection in your beard line, however, you might prefer a more specialized tool. If you're looking for something more budget-friendly that still gets the job done, consider the Remington All-in-One Grooming Kit. It lacks some of the premium features like waterproofing, but it's definitely capable if you're more concerned with the basics rather than all the extras. Final thoughts. The Brightup Beard Trimmer is a versatile, capable grooming companion that brings enough features to the table to satisfy the needs of most users. Its waterproof design, range of attachments, and the quality of its self-sharpening blades make it a solid, all-in-one choice. It's a no-fuss, all-inclusive grooming kit, and I'd recommend it for anyone looking for versatility and quality at a decent price point. Thanks for watching Beautyistic. If you're interested in getting the Brightup Beard Trimmer, you can find the link in the comments below. Don't hesitate to ask any questions about it, and if you already own it, share your experience. What do you love? Or what could be better? We'd love to hear from you.